have an update to a big breaking story. The family of a woman killed by a drunk driver, a former DC ANC, is extremely upset about the sentence handed down on Friday. Our Matthew Torres explains why they feel prosecutors didn't do enough.
More than a year after her daughter was killed in this fiery wreck along I-495 in Fairfax County, Esmeralda Reyes is haunted by her death.
She did suffer. She was trapped in a car on fire.
WSA 9 was in the courtroom when a judge ordered the man responsible to serve 4 years for involuntary manslaughter. Former DC ANC chairperson Devon Lacine was driving up to 99 miles per hour with blood alcohol content level of 0.196 when he smashed into 20-year-old Catherine Reyes' vehicle, stranded in the shoulder because of a flat tire. Family and prosecutors wanted him to actively serve 10 years in prison.
I don't think giving this man 4 years, 1 year credited, is going to change anything.
The Commonwealth argued there were many factors that made this case egregious enough for a higher sentence, including him driving in the shoulder, the high speed, and elevated levels.
I just think this whole thing was mishandled.
Judge John Tran questioned the prosecutor, asking if the case was so severe, why not push for 20 years? That's the maximum sentence if Lacine was guilty of aggravated involuntary manslaughter. Under Virginia law, that charge qualifies if the conduct of the defendant was so gross, wanton, and culpable as to show a reckless disregard for human life.
Everything fit him being charged with aggravated involuntary manslaughter. They told us time and time again, no, we don't think that's the best. We don't think that's the best route. We don't think that's the best route. Only to come into court and the judge tell the prosecution, basically, that's what they should have charged him on.
Reyes' family is now criticizing the Commonwealth. They feel lied to.
And these charges will get dropped and he'll be back in office. It's not fair. It's not right, and we were lied to.
A spokesperson for the Commonwealth Attorney's Office says based on multiple conversations with the family, accountability was important. So with that in mind, the office pursued an agreement. Lacine accepts responsibility for the incident, which still allows prosecutors to pursue a high sentence for manslaughter. She says the judge's lighter sentence is an indication that a higher charge was not appropriate.